So I'm from Sydney, Australia. Great country, wonderful place. Not all kangaroos and hot sun. Very nice place. I was able to successfully grow a leadership development company and travelled the world working with clients in many different countries. My work often involved long absences from home, travelling to visit with clients and to work in different offices. The challenge became, how do I spend quality time with my family? And so what we would do, we would designate a certain day of the week as our family day, and we would have time together. And we would make every family moment count as something special, so that when I was away, those moments became memories to help us stay focused together. We would include things like praying together and studying the scriptures together. The Book of Mormon has been a real help in helping me understand how better to set priorities as a family. So one of the verses I really like from the Book of Mormon talks about treasures in heaven. When we focus on wealth, then that's all we have. But when we focus on treasures in heaven, that's where our heart will be too. And that's where I want my family to be. I believe that families can be forever. And all the treasures that I could accumulate by working hard and buying cars and houses just really don't mean anything compared to having a family that is healthy and happy and loving and together. I love my family, my wife, my children, my grandchildren. They are so special to me. It's taken a long time to learn these lessons, so learn them while you're young. Don't wait till you're old.